I think the event is great. It already has grown since last year. All the participants, basically, we all are in the same boat, we're having the same challenges. The 2 participants already gave me some good ideas on for that structure that I need to put in place for next year. So I'm already thankful for that. Yeah.
Very personal, very interactive. I saw a lot of people who deal with the same issues or have the same questions, so it's very nice to change ideas.
So what is really nice is to meet with people that have the same kind of challenges and the same kind of work that they do every day, to have the opportunity to talk to people. How do they do things? What are their experiences, exchange some thoughts, help each other also, which is also really useful. So I already picked up some nice ideas here, and I was able to to share some of my experiences with other people.
I'm very happy to connect with other people in organizations from different backgrounds, but they're also in the same situation as I am.
Easygenerator is a tool that made the work for myself and my team way easier. I just learned about AI subtitling, which is groundbreaking for our work. So now we can add video to the module, and it picks up subtitles. It easily translates. So this goes up in speed with also activating the modules. So Easygenerator, the tool for me is like, yeah, easy to use, and yeah, I can't miss it anymore.
A lot of training owners that we aim to include in the tool as an author are not that didactically technical expert. They are technical experts in their subject, but it's very difficult for a lot of them to make an engaging training because they probably are way too focused in their specific domain of expertise, rather than trying to create a training. One of our main challenges and goals in 2026 and onwards is to ensure that also those people have a platform where they can share their knowledge, and they can also use the tool Easygenerator to ensure that their content could be shared with others in a very user-friendly way. Easy for them to use and to change the content that they currently have in PDFs or documents into engaging trainings. So that is one of the main reasons that we use the tool. So the tool helps them in this by also incorporating the Easy AI module. And also what is coming up as a very nice added value of Easygenerator the last few weeks has been the translation module. Very happy with that one, because now it's very easy to create a training in multiple languages. And also, of course, all of the features that are ensuring that the training is interactive is, of course, something that a lot of authors are using and very happy about.
Easygenerator, I think the name is well picked because it's really now easy to generate a course. And it's also even possible for people that do not have this educational background, but have a good way to make an attractive course with different elements that can appeal to different learning needs. And that we now, with the new multilingual function, can also provide the learning content in local language, which makes it easier for the people that do not speak English so well to have it understanding in their own language. So the language barrier is being lowered by this. We always have a disclaimer in all our courses saying that the translations are being done by means of AI functions. For product information, we are a little bit more restricted, because for product information, if we make product claims that are wrongly translated, then we are not compliant. So there we have to be more careful, and this is where we need to still use native speakers to review the translations, because if it's really product related, then yeah. But for the more general trainings like compliance, IT, Quara trainings, This is where we use the AI translated and only the disclaimer.
This year also we're going to develop 2 more languages. So that's also going to be a big thing because of course all the content needs to be translated then again. However, with Easygenerator that's super easy. So with one click on the button I can translate it. And of course we can make somebody a co-author so they can edit or if needed. And yeah, then in a quick tempo we have a new language.
When I started working at Lotus Bakeries now, then we were looking for an authoring tool, and Easygenerator compared to other tools was really had the big advantage of being very user-friendly on the author part, because we have a very broad audience that will be working with the tools. So creating learnings should be very easy to do. And if you compare Easygenerator to other options, then we think it's most hands-on, intuitive tool there is. I think the new feature of the walkthrough is a very big asset, and because you can use it for that many things, it looks like just only applicable, for example, for explaining software. But as I just showed at the last session, you could see that you can apply it to all kinds of situations or topics.